Hey guys, just wanted to shoot a short video to show you some of the work um, that I am currently working on. I have a few ideas that I've already executed with a couple of Gundam kits. Here's the new collection of Mr. Colors, which I have grown quite fond of. And next we're going to start collecting on these Gaia Note paints, which I also like. This is my collection of Vallejo spray paint. Anyway, I got the idea of using famous racing liveries, racing colors for my kits. And my first inspiration was this paint scheme for the Ford Gulf GT. Those are the Gulf racing colors. So, yeah, this is the first guy we did it with. This is the Gaia Notes orange right here. And the blue is Mr. Color. And that's him. A little bit of panel lining. And the rest was mostly just the basic colors of the paint scheme. This is, I'm using my tablet so you guys can see what I'm talking about here. Just a quick video. I didn't really produce this thing too well. Yeah, there you go. You can see I did a little bit of white to hold these, we'll call them wings. Put a little bit of, almost bejeweled there, a little jewel I added in. I try to keep them streamlined. I'm thinking of going with maybe a number, like this guy here is number 9. I might put a number on his shield. I haven't thought of it yet. But that is my latest idea. He was the first. So we're going to shift to the second one. And that's Mazda's racing colors. Renown is the racing team, and I did that with the ball. This is the Vercar kit of the ball. I was going to show you, but you guys know. Anyway, so that's the racing team from Mazda, and that's the ball. I was going to put the dash lines, but with all the white trim, I figured that replaced the need for the dash lines across. Again, the guy I know it's orange, and for the green I used Tamiya Park Green. So, and then I matte colored it. I put a matte coating on it from Vallejo Mecca. Vallejo Mecca lineup matte varnish. And boy, is that a nice mat. I'm losing the picture here. Let's put him back up. And let's see if we can spin this guy around. Yeah, it came out really good. Took a while to design green, orange, in the order I was going to go in. But finally decided on it. I had to draw it out. I had to draw it out in the picture and point to, G's and O's, pointing at what was going to be green and what was going to be orange, and it was a little tricky, but we finally got it down. I left a little bit of the only odd colors we have is the steel plating, the burnt iron, the matte black here on the gun, this little red guard, but it came out terrific. I thought this came out great, and unique coloring. When I saw the Mazda kit, I'm not sure if I even owned this kit at one point. I like sports cars, particularly imports. So you can see my car collection here. That's also growing along with the Gundam collection. But I'll show you where it's growing underneath the bench. We might be customizing this guy next. We'll think about it. But what we're going to use for customizing is mostly these high grades, this size. A little easy to work with. The master grades, I'm not quite sure. If I have one that I want to customized yet, but these are the kits I plan on using to use the racing colors with. I'll give you a heads up on my next one I'm doing. Yeah, so next up will be, obviously you can see the blue. I'm going to make the Subaru Impreza racing team, which is blue and yellow. This blue turned out to be a little too dark for the racing colors of Subaru. You know, I got this lineup, and it turns out that this Meg Emo Meg paint, metallic, this blue, it comes out a little darker once you paint it. I've looked at it, and that actually almost matches it, you know, exactly. So that coupled with yellow, you know the rally team for Subaru, the WRX rally team. Got sort of a picture of it up here. That's what we're going for. So that'll be the next guy, and I'll put the progress up on him. But that's what I've been up to. I got the idea of using racing colors, and I might do a motorcycle racing team also. I might use their colors next. I might go Yamaha, which is yellow, black, and white. But anyway, that's what we've been doing. We've been using racing colors, inspired Gundam custom paint jobs. That's it for now. That was my quickie update, and maybe the next one I might go step by step through the whole process of how I do it, and we'll take it from there. All right, guys, we'll talk to you soon, and you guys have a great day.